Hello everyone, and welcome back to our new video. Well, you have been using Wix for a while now, and you are currently asking how to restrict access to certain pages on your Wix site. Password protection is the perfect solution. So in today's video, I will show you how to basically password protect your page on Wix. Fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. Well, first thing first, open your device. Being connected to the internet is a fully must, we all know this. Go to look for Wix.com. So we're gonna tap on website builder, Wix.com, whatsoever. Then we're gonna open the dashboard. Okay, so basically this is the dashboard. They're gonna ask you to log in using your email address and password, do so. Then we're gonna go and look basically for the page settings by tapping on design site here. It will open this basically designer or website editor designer whatsoever. Okay, for example, let's go to this page or this menu here. So as you see, there is multiple options: quick edit, sexual layout, stage background, animated effects, saved or whatever. Okay, manage media, quick edit. We have multiple options here. We also have the settings button. Marketing, site password. Manage visitors' access to your site by adding password protection. So let's go and tap on this button. So they're gonna tell you who can access this site, everyone or password holders. You can also set a password for your whole website. It's totally doable. It's basically one of them permissions also. So after this, basically after setting a password, you're either gonna give it to people or basically save it for yourself if you want no one to basically access them pages. Okay, let's actually go and look if we can set it for a one page here. We have content. Okay, no. Okay, let's go here. For example, we're gonna go to the settings, freeze footer. As you see, we have this settings also. We have settings, freeze footer. Okay, for example, all we can do is basically give the whole website a password. After setting the password, save the changes, then publish, and it will go live. And that's it. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you in the next video.